Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix Instagram login error in iPhone. So guys, when you have login your Instagram and facing the issue that sorry there was a problem with your request and not be able to log in your Instagram on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your settings here, click on Wi-Fi. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have select 4G or 5G network on your device. And now you have to go back, scroll it down, click on general. From here you have to click on VPN and device management, and guys, you need to disconnect your VPN if connected. And after doing this you have to go back. Now you have to click on transfer of reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is network problem. So guys, when you have reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. After this you have to click on date and time. Make sure that you have set your date and time on automatically, and guys, now you have to go back. After this you have to click on software update. From here you have to check your new update. If you have any update here, you need to update, download and install that update on your iPhone or iPad. And after doing this you have to go back and open your app store, and here you need to search Instagram. Open Instagram and update your Instagram app, and after doing update your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem and having this issue again and again, you have to go back, open your settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and you have to wait for some seconds. From here you have to find Instagram, open Instagram and offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.